Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore the find function in Google Sheets. This formula is useful when you need to locate the position of a specific character or word within a text string. Let's dive right in. The find function helps you search for a specific text within a string. For example, if you have a list of product descriptions and you want to find where a certain word like cotton or black appears in each description, find will help you pinpoint it. Here's how the find function works. You type is equal find followed by the text you want to search for in quotation marks, a comma, and then the cell reference containing the text. Let's start with finding the word leather in product 4 description. For product 4, which is black leather belt, we will type is equal find leather B5 and hit enter. The result is 7, which means leather starts at the 7th character in black leather belt. Next, let's find cotton in product 10's description. We will use the formula is equal find cotton, comma B11. For product 10, which is black cotton socks, the formula returns 7, meaning cotton starts at the 7th character in black cotton socks. So this output is completely correct. Let's try finding a word not present in the description. For instance, if we search for red in product 3's description, which is green cotton shirt, we will type find red before. Since red is not in green cotton shirt, Google Sheets will return an error. So to handle this gracefully, we can use the if error function to display a custom message. So simply type is equal to if error find red before and custom message not found. By combining find with error, you will see not found instead of an error, making your spreadsheet much more user friendly. So that's a quick overview of the find function in Google Sheets. It's perfect for locating specific words or characters within your text data. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Google Sheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.